I'm Lynn Farrell with John Farrell Real Estate in Osage Beach, Missouri. I'd like to welcome you to 2201 Thunder Mountain Road. This is a beautiful lakefront home in a quiet setting on the 11-mile marker of the Big Niangua Arm of the Lake of the Ozarks. Come on in and take a tour with me. As you enter the home, you immediately notice the great lake view. This home has lots of windows to bring in the view of the Lake of the Ozarks. You will see that we have an open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, see-through fireplace, and unique arches with decorative insets throughout. The wet bar between the living room and the kitchen will make entertaining a breeze. The kitchen also has vaulted ceiling and new stainless steel appliances, including 2 ovens. It has beautiful granite countertops and a convenient center island. You will enjoy the cozy adjacent breakfast nook, then step out on the spacious deck and relax in the screened-in gazebo. This home offers 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 2 half baths. The master suite is spacious with a walk-in shower, jetted tub, and his and her vanities. The open staircase takes you to the lower level where you will find a large family room, which will be a great place to gather after a day on the water. Step out onto the lower level patio and soak in the view. Notice there are just a few steps to the sidewalk which lead you down the gentle path to the 108 feet of lakefront. At the waterfront, you will see a 2-well dock, a concrete seawall, beautiful mature trees, and minimal landscaping. Call soon for a personal tour of this beautiful property. It's time.